Okay. Maybe there ain't nobody up in here. Hey YouTube, it's Neesha here, and I want to talk about the products that I've been using on my 4C natural hair. So let's get into it. So the first two products that I love for my hair are these Tresemme shampoo and conditioners. So these are the Tresemme Color Revitalize shampoo and conditioner. I got them from Walmart, and of course I'll put all the links down below. These claim to protect your color up to 8 weeks. So last fall I did color my hair bleached. There was a booster pack, so there was some bleach up in there. I did about 2 inches of my hair, and I wanted to make sure that I took care of it, because the first time I colored my hair back in the day, I didn't take care of it like I should have. It felt like hay, okay? So I wanted to still be soft and moisturized, and I wanted to get something specifically for color treated hair. So that's why I bought these products. So I wash my hair probably once every 2 weeks or so. Just depends on what's going on. If I have a crochet style in, I usually only leave it in for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then I wash my hair. And so that's what I've been doing. And I also colored my hair this past fall, and I colored even more of it. I colored 5 inches, which I just cut off like 2 weeks ago. So I still use these because I need to get rid of them before I get my lock extensions. I'm gonna probably switch products once I do that, but for now these are my babies. So the next product that I use is from Cantu, and it's the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Deep Treatment Mask. I love this deep treatment mask because it's very substantial. It's very thickums with 2 C's and 2 K's, and it ain't going nowhere. So I figure if it ain't gonna leave this, it's gonna penetrate my strands, and my hair always feels great after I use it, and it smells really good. It has that typical Cantu scent, so highly recommend. So the next product that I love is the Kinky Tresses Avocado Infusion Restorative Conditioner. So I love this Kinky Tresses Avocado Infusion Restorative Conditioner because it's very thick, it has a great smell, and you can use it for a wash out conditioner, but I never have. I actually always use it as a leave-in conditioner. Another product that I like to use also from Kinky Tresses is the Nourishing Hair Oil. So I love the Kinky Tresses Nourishing Hair Oil because it has a whole bunch of different oils in it. Instead of me having to like buy all of them, put them all together myself, I just buy this. This is my second, well no, actually I bought 2 the last time because my husband also used it for his beard, but I had the old packaging, which is what this is the old packaging, this is the new packaging, but I could tell that it's still the same great oil even though the packaging has changed. So I highly recommend. It's a nice substantial oil. It's a little bit thicker, but not like as thick as like a castor oil, but I love it. I use it in between crochet, like when I usually do crochet styles, so I use it in between my parts, and then I also use it when my hair is loose and on my edges, etc. So highly recommend. Now this is an oldie but goodie. This is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In. So I love this leave-in. I know a lot of people don't use Cantu leave-in anymore, but this is like one of the first products I ever bought when I decided to go natural back in like 2011 or 12. Everyone and their mama was using this on YouTube, so I bought my own. Of course, it's not the same one I've had since then, but it still does well for me. I use it to moisturize my hair, especially when I'm going to be braiding it up or twisting it up to do some crochets, or if I'm doing a two-strand twist when it's not humid out, because if there's a lot of moisture in the air, then your style's not going to last with this. I think there's glycerin in it. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. So I'm not going to stop using this, not for the time being. Of course I'm going to get locks in, so I won't be able to use this type of stuff anymore because of buildup, but highly recommend if you're not afraid of using something that has chemicals and stuff in it. This is still a good product to me, so I'm going to keep using it. So those are the things that I typically use on my hair. I'm not really a product junkie, as you can tell. These are literally the only products that I use on my hair, besides maybe some shea butter, but I don't have any at the ready at this time. So I just been using this stuff, and my hair has been pretty moisturized. Now I do suffer sometimes from dryness just because I don't moisturize it as much as I should, but I also use a water bottle to spritz my hair in between styling, etc. So If you have any questions about anything that I showed you in this video, please let me know, and I will definitely be back. Bye!